Hey girly pops! Welcome to another installment of Beauty Guru Haley here. I'm in my Beauty Guru setup. I've got my lipstick on. And today, oh my goodness. Thank you, Sephora Collection, for sponsoring this video. We all know this whole Beauty Guru Haley thing is a joke because I'm just like an everyday type girl trying to figure out makeup. So yeah, I'm a little bit excited for this video if you can't tell, just a little bit. And I'm going to be testing out their new cream lip stains. They gave me this whole package and it's like in a big pizza box looking thing because their whole thing is that cream lip stains are pizza proof, latte proof, donut proof, all kinds of food proof. Sephora Collection is beauty uncomplicated, which is perfect for this series because I can't figure out makeup if it's complicated because I'm not good at makeup, hence this series is me figuring out makeup. So I've been testing out these products for the past week or so before filming this video, and they're a really interesting formula. I'm gonna get into testing them in front of you, but just wearing them on my lips, I'm wearing Frozen Strawberry right now. And it's a super creamy formula, but it's not dry, and it's also a stain, so it doesn't come off. So it's like this really interesting formula, and I don't want to spoil anything, but I love these products, okay? Like obviously that's why I took the sponsor, but we're gonna get to that in the video. As you can see, they just released 90 shades, and they're only $14 a piece, which is great because I've bought, that's not a word, I always use that word like it is though. I've tested out liquid lipsticks on my channel and I had to pay like $30 each for those. And I'm not gonna lie, I like these way more and they're like a third of the price. You can find all of these shades on Sephora.com or in stores or on the Sephora app, and you can also follow them at SC and they'll be hosting giveaways around their product launch, and you can also follow mine because I'm doing a giveaway too. But yeah, let's just get started into testing these products. The Beauty Guru Haley in me is just like crying of enjoyment. I'm so excited, you guys. So in this huge pizza box that they sent me, they have all different sections, kind of. They've got the berries, the nudes, the pinks, the reds, the trendy ones, the browns, the metallic ones. And also, can we just look at these metallics? Like, look at how pretty that is. Can you imagine wearing these to Coachella or like a music festival? That would be so cute. I'm going to swatch a few of these. I'm gonna swatch this aqua one because look how cute it is. This is in the shade Audacious Emerald. This is the shade Honeymoon, so cute. The one I'm wearing on my lips right now is called Frozen Strawberry. I love browns. I think it looks really good with dark hair. The first test we're gonna do is to eat some food, and obviously, can you guess what I'm going to eat? I'll just give you a second. Chick-fil-A, yep. I'm just gonna kind of vlog throughout my day. I'm gonna be wearing like a bunch of different lip colors throughout my day because I can't stop swatching these on my lips. I'm just so excited about them. So let's just get into like my little vlog thing. We're gonna like drink some Starbucks. It's gonna be a great day. Okay, cool. Okie dokie guys, for test number one, I'm at obviously my favorite fast food restaurant ever. So I'm gonna put on this first lip color called Made in Italy. Hello, this is Future Haley here. It is actually not called Made in Italy. All of these are made in Italy. But the shade that I'm putting on my lips is actually Honeymoon Haley. Okay, get back to the video now. I'm just gonna put this one on. Ooh, it smells so good. These dry down relatively fast, so if you mess up, you're gonna wanna fix that pretty quickly. So since their whole thing is like they're pizza proof, I'm going to eat some oily fast food and see if that is true. I love how they're like, alright, so like what are you thinking for video ideas? And I'm like, oh, I think I'm gonna like, I don't know, eat Chick-fil-A in your video. Does that sound like a good ad? Alright, let's get this mukbang started, shall we? Just kidding, I'm gonna eat off camera because why would I? No, I'm not ready for a mukbang yet. But just for the proof, here are my chicken minis and they're gonna be gone in the next time you see me, so. Alright, my 4 chicken minis are gone. If you need proof, there is the proof. And I don't know what it looks like to you, but it looks perfectly intact to me as to when I first put it on. There's no like butthole action going on, you know, like where it like rubs off in the middle. That was the slowest and grossest burp I've ever done in my entire life. So yeah, they weren't lying. It really is pizza proof, donut proof, latte proof, all that kind of proof. That's a thumbs up from me. I'm back from eating Chick-fil-A. It was delicious. And I want to try one of the lip colors from the nude section. And I've been like taking these lip creams on and off, and they're really easy to take off. They're not like liquid lipsticks where they're like stuck on your skin and you have to scrub them off. It just comes off very nicely. So I don't know which one will match my skin color the best. This one is called Alter Ego. I'm gonna go to Starbucks, drink a little drink, and do some editing. They smell so good. It's like a little velvet baby on my lips. This video is just turning into me eating foods for a video. But I'm going to go to Starbucks and drink a latte, even though I don't drink coffee, so I'm really gonna drink a pink drink, a venti one, and see if it defeats the test, I guess, because it is supposed to be latte proof, so we're gonna test that, and we'll see. Here's before. I am a freaking wuss. I was gonna like sit in there, edit my photos, and I don't know what it is. I don't know if I have like a weird social anxiety or something, but I can't just sit there and work unless I'm like with a friend, or else I just feel like everyone's looking at me. Like, I don't know, like not in like a pretentious way, just in like, don't look at me, like it makes me uncomfortable. I don't know. Who can relate? Woo! So I guess I'm just gonna go home and work. I also got a chocolate cake pop. I finished it, and look, still perfectly there. No butthole lips. Noah! Okay. What color is that? Infinite rose. Good choice.
Thanks.
Hey, sisters. I'm using pink cashmere. Alright guys, we have really put these things to the test, and I give this a solid 10 out of 10 worth your money girly popsicles. I don't know. I wanted to try out this metallic one just to end it out because I feel like metallics don't get enough love and I want to see what it looks like. So, oh yes. I just keep sniffing these like they're a drug. This is in the shade Pink Lollipop, which goes perfectly with girly pop. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys. I don't even know how to express in words how grateful I am for you. This is gonna get so cheesy, but this is a sponsored video, so I know some of you guys would immediately watch it and write it off as something that's fake or not honest. So I don't know. I'm just really thankful for it. Thank you for letting me do sponsors and trusting me enough to trust my opinion about what sponsors I choose, and I don't have to do much proving of myself to make you believe that. I mean, try out one for yourself and you will believe me, but let me know what I should try out next. Follow me on Instagram for some exciting giveaways to come, and I have a Snapchat and Twitter, all that kind of good stuff, and subscribe, put on the bell notifications. Apparently if you press it one time or twice, it notifies like how often you want to get notified, and if I were you, I'd want to get notified all the time. But maybe that's just me, I don't know. Okay, thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you, and I will see you guys soon.
Oh, would you be so kind as to fall in love with me? You see, I'm trying. I know you know that I like you, but that's not enough.